Good morning and welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. Today we'll be going through the 2016 Holden Commodore SSV VF Series 2. This car is a manual, it's done just under 64,000 kilometres. It is an 8-cylinder 6.2 litre petrol engine. Having a look at the front, it has fitted with the running lights and front parking sensors. Moving through to the first wheel here, you've got your 19-inch alloy wheels, chrome finish on the door. It is a keyless entry and keyless start. That doesn't let me open. We'll go around and open up the vehicle. Having a look through the first door here, previous owner has really looked after this one. Plenty of drink bottle space and storage. You've got your leather accents and suede through the vehicle, and then leather and suede upholstery with genuine carpet mats. Taking a look through the back, again kept in really good condition, and it also is ISOFIX for your child seats friendly. Looking at the back wheel here, in very good condition, no gutter rash or scuff marks there. Moving around to the back, you've got your rear parking sensors as well as reversing camera. Petrol cap is located on the driver's side of the vehicle. Having a look at that back wheel on the other side now, again in fantastic condition. SS badge on the side of the car, and just from the other point of view, previous owners really looked after this one. Taking a look at the front wheel now, again no gutter rash or scuff marks, in really good condition. We'll go have a look in the driver's side now. You've got your power window and mirror controls fitted there, central locking, and it is a electronic seat adjustment. Taking a look inside the vehicle now. I'll lower this one down a little bit. You've got your source controls, volume and phone controls on the right hand side, along with the indicator, and featured on the left is the cruise control and the window wipers. There's the dash there. It is a touchscreen multimedia section. Climate control comes with 2 genuine keys. There's a 6-speed manual. Park assist, parking sensors and electric park brake is also fitted, as well as a great size center console. I'll pop the car into reverse. You can see that the reversing camera is fully operational. There we go. Heads up display also working just there. So if this car interests anyone, come down and see us at Berwick Mitsubishi, located at 20 to 32 Kangan Drive in Berwick. Alternatively, you can give one of our friendly team members a call on 9907 0555. We've got some great in-house finance options available for your weekly, fortnightly or monthly budgets, and some great optional extras like extended warranties, dash cams, tinted windows and hydro ceramic coating. We look forward to seeing you down at Berwick Mitsubishi.